If we scroll down to the very bottom of the Photos app, we'll see Wallpaper Suggestions. If we tap on Wallpaper Suggestions, we'll see suggested wallpapers using photos that the Photos app thinks I might want to use for wallpaper. So if I can tap one of these, I can swipe to the left to change the color scheme and the graphics scheme. I can add widgets like the weather or the stock market report. As far as I can tell, I'm going to cancel. As far as I can tell, you cannot change the photos that the Photos app gives you for wallpaper suggestions. You're stuck with the photos the app gives you. If you want a different photo for wallpaper, you would get out of Wallpaper Suggestions and get out of the Photos app and go into Settings, scroll down to Wallpaper, add new wallpaper, and then tap on People, and then tap on All, and that gives you access to your photos library, and you select one of the photos in your photos library to use as your new wallpaper.